Hi, my name is Leon Malnick. I'm the CEO and Chief Investment Officer at Malnick Wealth Management. My website is malnickwealthmgmt.com. Please go there. And if you wish to make an appointment after what you've listened to makes some sense to you, find intriguing, you'll see our calendar. We're more than happy to talk to you about money. Today's date is the 2nd of February. And the reason I say that is I'm going to talk a little bit about the market commentary, and our investment philosophy. So if you go back and look at this 6 months from now, we'll see if any prognostications come true or not. Essentially, what we believe in is not timing the market, but time in the market is what makes sense to us. What is vogue today, what people enjoy doing is with their cell phones or computers is market trading. Market trading, either in options or in equities, is basically like this. You win big, and then you lose, you lose, you lose, you lose, you lose, you lose, and then you win big, and then you lose, you lose, you lose, you lose. Over a long period of time, market trading as a result of expenses, timing, not knowing what you're doing, thinking you know what you're doing, it's a meat grinder. You won't win. You may win, but eventually you'll give it all back. That's the life of a trader. I've had people come to me who are traders and they get burned out and they say, I can't do this anymore. Take my money and do it for me. Honestly, it's happened. And so what we believe in doing as a philosophy for investing is what we call long hold. We buy good, large, well-capitalized companies, and typically equities, which means stocks, and we hold them a long time. Now, we've had 12 good years in the market since 2010 or so, and we've had a really bad year last year. It was like a death of 1,000 cuts. A little bit, sometimes a lot, every single day. A couple of rebounds, false rebounds, and things were having losses between 40 and 50%, some even more. People came to me, a lot of my clients, other people as well, very distressed. I've lost all this money. My peak is down 30, 40, 50, 60%. What do I do? And I say, wait it out. And people can't or don't like that advice. How can I do that? Look what I've lost. I say, you haven't lost anything. If you look, you own all the shares. The losses are what we call unrealized. You haven't sold them. You still own them. And when the market bounces back, and it will, it always does, it's never gone down for long periods of time, other than the Great Depression, 2008-9, what we're seeing now. It always goes up. It started at 1900, and if you look at today, 2023, it looks like this. There's a lot of bumps in between. It always goes higher. It's kind of like the Olympics. They always, every year, guys win gold medals. And every 4 years, other guys win gold medals and beat the guy from 4 years back. What, are they eating better breakfast food? Well, it's the same thing on Wall Street. These guys go to Wharton Business School. They know how to make stocks and squeeze them go better. And inflation and all of the things that make the market grow or go down are always in play. So when you buy something, unless you need to take money out now for investments for retirement, you got to let it stay, and you got to let it do its thing. And what you really want to do, if you're smart, is pour more money in. When there's blood in the streets, people are heading for the exits. That's when there's a sale on at Macy's. You want to buy in bad times. Those clients that came to me that had money over the course of the last year, as the market is recovering, and it's recovering fast when it does. It took a year to go down. Well, we've gained back a major portion of it in January and now in February. You miss it. You can't time it. You never know. It's going to happen, and a lot of it happens overnight. If you and you're sleeping and it's rocketing. So you have to be in the market. You have to have a long game plan. And when you're going down that roller coaster and your stomach's in your mouth, that's when you know you know got to buy more of it because it's cheap. And then it recovers and it keeps going and you get the next bull market. So that's my advice to my clients. Hang tight. It will get better. The sky is not falling. And we'll be new highs again, just like we were before. Thank you very much. Appreciate your time.